notepad we had.
Yeah. Alright,
The
welcome
last
back
one was
on my perspective. I had to reset my thing because, what's it called? I wasn't recording in full screen. Don't want that. My FPS is a lot smoother in full screen, yet I shake a lot more.
Alright, I'm gonna dig up now.
Okay. Can you please send enchant in the TI?
I did already.
Alright, cool. Grudge. Yay, I'm full tier 2 and sharp 3, power 3.
Nice. I have 6 levels, so.
Not too much else I can do, to be honest. Alright, I'm gonna head up.
Try to get a power, maybe work towards a power 3.
Are you talking to me?
Okay, I think someone, I found cobblestone.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, this was me.
Oh, that's okay.
Yeah, well it better be. I'm gonna get up anyway to surface. I don't even need to be down here.
I'm in extreme hills, so hopefully this isn't gonna take too long, but...
How much gold do you have?
51.
I have 40. Do the math, I can craft 5 gaps, you can craft 6. That's
yeah,
11.
plus I have another 2, so I'm gonna have 8 by the end of this.
That's 7 each then. Gaps each, not bad.
Pretty good, yeah.
On surface.
I'll be on there in a minute. Let's just show our chords just in case. We're pretty close. Actually, Z not so much.
I'll come, I'm gonna see that, unless there's a forest nearby. There is a forest. Okay, I'm gonna stay here and cut down trees, okay?
Okay, that's fine.
Don't mind, or I can come to you. Do you have a forest?
I'll check. I need to get some blocks. Blocks are a necessity.
Yeah, I have like 4 stacks of cobble.
Nice. I'm gonna throw in my torches, I don't really need them. And even then I have tons of coal, so. Whatever, I don't want to check through those. Alright. I found a forest. Cool.
Alright, I'm at the border, so.
I'm at the border too.
Wow, looking in chat.
What is it?
Jesse said that his diamonds are doing less than 5%.
Oh no.
Wow. We took the damage like a pro, and we had to heal up and use our materials. He has the easy way.
I just lost.
Alright, just cut down a bunch of trees. How many? We need 6 apples? I mean, 11 apples altogether.
Yeah, I need 6.
Alright, I need 5. I got 1, 2, 3. Alright, I'm getting a good amount of apples.
Alligator apples?
Yep. Whatever that means. Alright. I got enough apples for myself.
Nice. I almost.
Alright.
3 alligator apples. 4, 5.
I have one on me. I put it in the TI there.
I don't need your apples.
Alright, what are your cords? We'll meet up.
Okay. There. I might need your apples actually, but I'm gonna check a little
I
more.
don't need your apples. Wait, never mind. I do. Alright, I'm coming to you right now. I don't think we'll find anyone out this far because we're pretty far.
Oh yeah.
I was gonna want to cave this far, but we ain't. So that's good for us because no one was out here.
I think I do need to take your apple. Dang it. 6 alligator apples. Oh, I'm not gonna have enough gold for this. I need to smelt this. 2. Yay, alright. Cool. Tell me when you're like, when you see me. Actually, I don't know if you'll be able to see me, but in case you do, tell me.
Alright.
I don't want to be a scared panini baby.
I see you. I'm behind you.
Hello. Did I put my wood in there? Where did I put my wood? Oh, here it is. There you go. And then, yeah, that's good. Alrighty. Now what?
Go and go look for people. Or give me.
Oh,
give me
yeah,
a
we
gap.
need to pass the healing. Yeah.
Give me one gap.
There you go. Okay, so now you have.
I have 49 arrows.
I have 60. I have a stack of 48. Pass me just your arrows so I can. I have 1 diamond.
Yeah, we can't really do anything with that right now.
Okay, there you go.
Alright. Head to 0-0, I guess.
Yeah, I guess.
Get closer to 0-0. Let's not go directly there though.
Yeah, it's a little too risky.
Alright. Another village.
Oh, wow.
Furnaces are taken, so.
Oh, I was scared. I just got a big lag spike. I didn't find that.
Oh, a lot of wheat here. See, there's like a trade. Silk touch for 9 emeralds. I have 3 emeralds. If there's a wheat trade, we can probably just get silk touch. That'd be fun.
Silk touch would be interesting.
No way, 18 coal for an emerald. I found like 10 stacks of coal.
Oh, yeah, I have a stack of them.
And I threw mine out. So come here.
Where are you?
Come here and trade with this guy. Trade the coal that you have. Did you have any coal on you? Oh, we can get silk touch.
Oh, I got scared there.
No. Yeah, you should be, because I'm gonna be silk touching everything.
I got 3 emeralds.
I just give them to me.
Alright.
What can we do with silk touch? So that's a real question.
I don't really know. If we find cobwebs, we can use them. That'd be cool.
I wish we had a mine shaft. That'd be fun. Okay. I got silk touch.
Alright, nice.
I'm just gonna keep the book. I really wish we had a mine shaft so we can get cobwebs. I would. If we look in all the ravines that you find, because you might find a mine shaft like in a ravine.
Yeah, that would be awesome.
We can get cobwebs. That would be so fun.
Mhm.
That'd be amazing, actually.
That'd be crazy cool.
Just gonna check down here, make sure it's not like a mine shaft. I can feel a mine shaft. I can feel my senses.
Can you?
Yeah, I actually can.
This would be a mine shaft then.
My nose is twitching. I can feel my senses. Okay, that's a dead end, but I saw another way over here.
What if someone's nose actually like twitched? That's never happened to me. I feel like that would be weird.
Okay, I found a mine. No way.
No, no way.
No way.
No.
Come down here. Let's explore though. Someone's been here. There's like, but it's a mine shaft.
Well, we just want the silk touch. Yes.
My nose twitched.
Dude.
I said, oh, there's another entrance down here. I look in this ravine. There has to be one. Look it in the corner over there.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, do you have the anvil?
Yeah.
Safe to jump down. All right.
I can
Someone's here
emoji.
though. Someone's here though.
Oh, didn't grab my water. There we
Place
go.
on the anvil. I got the shears. Alright, I got the sub-cut shears.
All right,
grab
awesome.
the anvil. I didn't grab the
Yeah,
anvil.
got that.
You can find a cave spider spawner. That's a good source. So.
It would be. Where'd you go?
I found gold. What the heck? They didn't explore this.
Oh, I found some webs.
Reese? Okay, I guess we're like caving again. I found gold. I'm coming to you. Hold on. Oh, brick died to Brian.
Oh wow.
Well, I'm grabbing some webs. All right. We should get a stack of webs. Have a stack each. That sounds like fair.
Dude, the thing is, like, no one would know how to combat that strategy. Cause it'd be so surprised. Yeah, I'm getting redstone right now.
Yeah, we just have to get people to melee us.
Hey, alright.
You got this chest right here? Nope, there's nothing in it. Well, there was, but yeah, someone's been here.
You're skipping spider webs. This is amazing.
This.
I don't know.
What if I like found some guy here?
It'll be pretty funny.
Whatever. I'm gonna replace my lava bucket with the cobwebs when we get enough. I'm gonna prioritize cobwebs. I'm still gonna keep my lava on my hotbar, just not in my like usual slot.
I don't know where I'm gonna put the cobwebs. Probably replace my pickaxe.
I have 21 cobwebs. We should just find a, we should just try to find a spider spawner.
Yeah, that'd be great. But we need to be careful. This is away from the mine shaft.
Yeah, and this
Redstone.
that mine there. There's like no one here. Double checking around everywhere.
More
I feel
redstone.
like someone's still in here, but we obviously don't know where.
Yeah, and they wouldn't know if we're here either.
Gold up here.
Hey.
You have a couple extra apples or no?
I have one extra apple.
I got 10 gold.
It's pretty good.
Fine. Do you know how to get back to the mine shaft?
A little bit. I think it's just over,
Where
like,
are you?
north. I'm back to where we... Wait, actually, I'm gonna check out this. This isn't where it is.
I'm back in the ravine.
Okay.
Wait, no I'm not. This is a different ravine. Where'd you... I'm so lost.
I found the mine shaft again.
Okay, what are your cords?
I'll place some torches so you're less confused.
No, I found one. Yeah, I'm here.
Hey. Okay.
Oh, he died. That was not anyone. That was just him falling.
Oh, that's here. Oh yeah, that's just PvE.
That was a creeper. Yo, watch out.
I'm fine, I'm fine. There's some more webs over here. Oh, watch out.
That one.
More webs over here. There's a lot of webs.
I found the end of a mine shaft, so.
Okay.
I have 32 string.
32 string? Or 32 cobwebs?
Cobwebs, yeah.
Alright.
Getting more though. Yeah, I'm back at like the intersect where like the rails were like floating.
Yeah, I see. There's some more over here. Right here, there's some more.
Where?
I think it's over here. Or maybe we've been here before.
Yeah, I have. This is where it ended over here.
Oh.
I want to message Lego and tell, and I'm gonna say.
New strat.
Up here. Yeah, that's some up here. It's extremely hard to find like new places. You start blocking off where we've been.
This just leads us back to the beginning, but there might be some over here.
The times when we need to find a cave spider spawner and we don't.
Right? Normally no one wants to find a cave spider spawner.
No, we do though. I don't know where I'm at. I'm back at like where the rails were floating again.
Okay.
Oh. I'm up here.
Okay. This is just the beginning.
Entrance. What about down here?
Nothing really. Actually, there might be some.
We've been here before, I believe.
I think like we've basically explored everything. How much cobwebs do we have?
I have 39. I don't know if that's enough. We should just. We should. I'm
gonna go over here.
We'll probably stay off because I have to stop and set it for every team. Oh my god, what's that? Wait, what the heck? I go in F-Agger behind me, and then the next thing you know, I see someone running, and I thought it was like someone else.
Nah, this is back to where we were originally.
This is good. You want to just go with what we have?
Yeah, I think we're fine.
Alright, here. Take 19.
Alright, sick.
I got 20.
Alright.
Alright.
Let's go.
Let's get out of here.
Don't place too many because we
Go
still
over
like
here.
want to be able to navigate and stuff. Oh yeah, get that. Because like we want to be able to navigate, but the thing is we shouldn't.
I have 16 gold. Get another gap each.
I have 3 apps. I mean 3. No, sorry. 3 gold.
Yeah, you have 1 apple on you, you said?
Mhm.
Yeah, because you can't like spam them. You gotta place like a couple at a time.
Yeah, yeah, and we want to be able to like just place like 2, and then we don't want to get ourselves into it because that would not be good.
Yeah, but they can just place water and then. Well,
A lot of people panic though.
They may
Like,
not be thinking, yeah.
yeah, like I've been not UHC in particular, but like a few meetup simulators where people had cobwebs, and I was like, whoa, okay, and I panicked, and I just got circle strafed and
I
died.
can eat a gap, by the way, and then we can craft you one, because then we have enough gold.
Yeah, might as well. It's just a percentage.
You're at 80. I'm on surface.
I'm almost
We're
on
gonna get on
surface.
this really big mountain.
Oh, see you guys next episode.
Yeah, see you guys in the episode where maybe